This might be the place. Oh, I need water.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good.
So the dream is real? No sticker? Did I lose the sticker in the desert? What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here, and that was a very comprehensive and dramatic unboxing of the Desert Titanium iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now I have the rest of the iPhone 16 series here with me, the iPhone 16 Plus, the iPhone 16 and also the iPhone 16 Pro. So let's unbox them together. Let's go! Now that we've done with the unboxing, let's check out what are the new things that comes with the iPhone 16 series. Now with all the iPhone 16 series, we get a brand new camera control. With this camera control, we can quickly take pictures and also adjust camera settings. The iPhone 16 and 16 Plus is powered by A18 chip, and the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max is powered by 18 Pro. The iPhone 16 and 16 Plus now comes with an ultra-wide lens with autofocus. That also means we can take macro shots. On the iPhone 16 Pro and also Pro Max, we can now get 48 megapixels ultra-wide and we can shoot videos in 4K 120. Also, with the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, we get bigger screens now, 6.3 inches and 6.9 inches. That's because the bezel is now a lot thinner. So those are some of the brand new things, okay, with the iPhone 16 and also 16 Pro. Of course, there are a lot more features that I have not covered. For example, photographic styles and also audio mix. So you gotta wait for my review, okay? My 1 week review should be out after this video. And the iPhone 16 is also going to be made available on the 20th of September. So in case you haven't pre-ordered, just head on to the Apple Store at the Exchange TRX or any nearby Apple retailers to check them out. If you love gadget videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, okay, because I will have a lot more iPhone 16 content coming up. And share this video with your friends. And don't forget to follow me on all social platforms. My name is smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo.